In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add subscribers to ConvertKit. Whether you are adding a single person, importing a list, or bringing them over from another platform, I'll guide you through each method step by step. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to convertkit.com. Log into your account to access your dashboard. If you want to add just one subscriber, go to the Grow tab at the top of your screen and click Subscribers. Here select Add Subscribers, then choose the One Subscriber option. Enter their first name and email address. Click Next and then Finish. That subscriber is now added to your list. To import multiple subscribers at once, go back to Subscribers, click Add Subscribers and select Import CSV file. Choose the CSV file from your computer, making sure columns are clearly labeled for first names and emails. Map the fields to ConvertKit's system, then click Import Subscribers. Your list will populate automatically. If you are bringing subscribers from another email provider, return to Subscribers, click Add Subscribers and choose Import from another provider. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your other account with ConvertKit. This makes transferring your list smooth and easy. And that's it. You now know 3 ways to add subscribers in ConvertKit, making it easier than ever to grow your email list efficiently. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical ConvertKit tutorials.